No, 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 no. You don't. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. No, no, no. He was not thrown away. Pratyush Shukla moved to Lucknow. He wants the education of his children there. He is now running a trust of his own, Mother Teresa Trust. But because he had been for the last few years helping in this trust virtually single-handedly, we said to him, and he knows everybody who was involved in each of the camps. We said, please seek out these people so that we can get some proof. He said, we have sought them out, but they are saying that the government will have to write to us and the government will have to get this affidavit. So we said, please go and ask the government office to give you a copy. He got that from the government office and sent it here. We at face value accepted and sent it to India Today. Now, if this needs to be inquired further, we are willing. It should be inquired. But India Today also needs to be proved. No, that's all I'm saying.
Fukan, this is the last question. Fukan.
Yeah.
Fukan.
No. Obviously not. Obviously, we are mad. You think I have knowledge? I would give something.
This is the last question. Last question.
Yeah.
Were you or were you not aware that there was discrepancy?
No, we were.
Yes.
And what kind of action has you have taken on your own?
We launched the inquiry.
As a follow-up question, because there have been allegations that the
Listen, yeah. No.
this was coming. And second, what's your next course of action?
See, two things. Now I don't want Ashtak to feel that I'm hitting them too hard. If you see the original letter that they wrote to us, it's important.
Later, fast.
They've decided to drop that. But I think it's important for you to understand. The first letter that came was written to me, not to the project director, not to Louis. It was written to me. Maybe they thought it should be written to me. But what is important there, and of course they said misutilization, etc. Letter. Okay, now. Anyway, we won't go to that now. But it's the important thing is here. Wait a minute. Where? Okay. It said that has the Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust been given a notice by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment in this connection? Have they got a notice from them? This is what they asked. When we said no notice, they've asked for a clarification. They said this is a matter of semantics. Okay, doesn't matter. This is a matter of semantics. Now, please hear this out carefully. I've been fielding questions because I take the responsibility of being head of the trust. Okay? Now I field the question in a different way. This letter is addressed to me. 8th paragraph says, earlier, an RTI was filed by one KK Dikshit against Dr. Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust, requesting Central Information Commission to direct Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to bring all those NGOs, including Zakir Hussain Trust, which are receiving substantial grants, to be declared public authority. In connection with the above-mentioned RTI, the matter was sent to Ministry of Law and Justice. At that point of time, you were the Minister of Law and Justice. As per the order of the Central Information Commission, the Law Ministry opined that any NGO under Section 2H of RTI Act cannot be declared a public authority. Are you of the view that any NGO seeking substantial grant from the taxpayers' money should not be obliged to make its record public? So this was reflecting directly on me as a law minister, right? Wasn't it? Yeah. We checked with the law ministry, and in the law ministry, because this file never came to me, we checked in the law ministry, and thank God the law ministry gave the right reply. And the law ministry said, the short issue referred to this ministry for opinion thereon is whether Dr. Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust, an NGO, is covered under the definition of public authority in accordance with Section 2HI RTI Act 2005, following the clarification sought by the Central Information Commission. We have gone through the relevant papers, particularly para 3 of page 1 of the file of the referring ministry and the note of Secretary, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment at page 14 of the file, and consulted Section 2HD2 of RTI 2005, which reads as follows. Non-governmental organizations substantially financed or directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government. In view of the above, we are of the opinion that the subject NGO, i.e. Dr. Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust squarely falls within the meaning of public authority under the said Act, and the referring ministry may proceed in accordance with the said Act as indicated above. This is a letter sent to me questioning my integrity as Law Minister. This is the reply that is shown to them. They drop it. They don't even speak about it. They may have got this information from somebody that's not to be trusted. But the fact remains that we gave the advice that is the appropriate advice, that people funded by government must disclose their accounts. Now, what we were doing is that when it came to our knowledge, and the first time it came to our knowledge, when with this report that was just being shown, on the basis of this report, a clarification was sought from the trust by the government, by the ministry. We could not have given that clarification ourselves. We had to seek the assistance of the UP government. So we started approaching the UP government. We also tried to find out where the officers were. Finally, she went to the UP government to meet the Chief Minister to say, please get this inquiry. Now, I read out that letter that the inquiry is being held with reference to our request. When they finish the inquiry, the details will come and we will know the truth about the signatures. We will know the truth. What more can I do about knowing the truth before that?
No more questions.
You're not getting this.
No, finish.
No. Yeah.
Furkan.
The allegation is Mr. Kejriwal according to his day before yesterday, I got a press conference where he said that the inquiry, opening an inquiry was an afterthought.
I've just read that letter. See what Kejriwal says. What Kejriwal says, I cannot contradict here because he'll keep saying it. That's why I said
let me just clarify that, Sanjay. Let me clarify that. I did, and there are witnesses to this. Mr. Prabal Pratap Singh and Deepak came to see us, and when they raised this issue, I showed them this exactly the same copy of the letter that finally went to the Chief Minister. One moment. I showed them. Please do not interject. I showed them exactly the same letter that finally went to the Chief Minister. I said, this is what we have asked for. I also told him that we made the request to the Chief Minister in August, around about the time of the Mango Party. And he did say, yes, I'll sort it out. But we sought some time to find out where these officers were. When we tried to contact some officers, they said it will not be appropriate for us to give you a reply. The reply should go from the government. So, 1 second. So then we wrote that letter, and the letter was ready, but we were waiting for time for Akhilesh Yadav. We showed this letter. He asked us for a copy, and I said it will not be appropriate to give a letter. And they know about this letter well in advance of their story.
Show this guy. Please take this guy's picture.
ठीक है भाई, हाँ, क्या हुआ? क्या किया इन लोगों ने? बयान बन गया?
Please, you want to ask his name? You want to take a shot? ये लोग कहते हैं कि हमने आपको आला नहीं दिया था. ये कहते हैं.
आप बोलिए.
ये सही है.
आला नहीं दिया था. हम सबूत लेके आए कि आला नहीं दिया था. आपको क्या बोलना है इसके साथ?
बता दो ना.
Let me just explain. Let me just explain to you. Let me just explain to you. This gentleman is Rangi Mistry. He's from Farrukhabad. He was one of the sting operations shown, and I'm not putting any pressure on him. You are here. Talk to him. Now, please talk to Rangi Mistry and find out what Mr. Rangi Mistry says. He's got a year aid, which obviously is not given by India Today. It must have been given by somebody else. Let's find out who gave him this. ये किसने आपको दिया है? ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि आपके जो आला है कान का, वो किसने दिया है?
मिला ना? मिल से मिला.
ऑपरेशन नहीं किया था, ऑन कैमरा हमने इनसे पूछा।
ये माइक में पूछा था सबके सामने, इसका स्टिंग ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ था।
यार बात सुनो ना, why don't you guys take that story now? Now do a story. बात करने दो ना। अरे आप अपना जवाब दे देना, आप अपना जवाब दे देना इनको। अरे जवाब दे देना इनको बोलने, किसे बोलने दो, चाहिए वो बोल। प्लीज 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 let him say his bit.
किसने दिया? ये मशीन किसने दिया काम का?
मील में मिला, मील कोल्ड स्टोरेज।
सलमान भाई
वो नहीं बोलता
ये लोग बोल रहे हैं, ये लोग कुछ यहाँ हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि आपने उनसे कहा मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला।
नहीं, 2 साल पहले मिली थी
ना,
अगर खराब हो जाती थी तो हम समझे हमें और मिलता है।
He said he thought he would get another one. He says he thought. अरे बैठो यार। अब बैठो ना। यार प्लीज यार,
आप पीछे चले जाओ यार, चले जाओ
खुर्शीद साहब ऑन कैमरा।
I'll tell you, please understand. I kept saying to them that your story is a source story. It is not a sting story. It's a source story. They kept saying it's a sting story because somehow sting has greater respectability in the journalistic circles. And I was saying it's a source story. The source story, they went to this guy as they went to others. Those are also coming, by the way. They are coming.
एक बात आप मानते हैं नहीं, चैनल में वही दिखाया जो उन्होंने बोला, उन्होंने अपनी गलती
बात सुनो ना, नहीं अपनी गलती नहीं, चैनल ने ये दिखाया था। सुनो यार, क्या यू लेट मी स्पीक यार तो आप चैनल ने 3 एग्जाम्पल साइट किए जिन्होंने कहा मुझे नहीं मिला, ठीक है ना। ये कह रहे हैं मुझे मिला था, 2 साल पहले मिला था, 2 साल पहले की बात है, लेकिन खराब हो जाता है। मैं समझा लेट मी गिव बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट टू द चैनल ने ये नहीं कहा कि तुम अगर ये बोलोगे तो हम रिकॉर्ड दे देंगे। हो सकता है इनकी गलती हो, इन्होंने कहा मैं समझा मुझे एक और मिल जाएगा, ये खराब हो जाता है। तो मैंने कहा कि हाँ नहीं मिला, क्योंकि अगर मैं बोलूंगा मिला है तो कौन देगा, तो मैंने बोल दिया नहीं मिला। तो इसलिए इन्होंने वो दिखा दिया चैनल पे। यार गलती किसी की हो ना, अभी आ रहे
खुर्शीद साहब क्या आप वाकई ये मानते हैं
खुर्शीद साहब, just listen. Now, एक बात
Just stop now.
बात सुनो. I don't think.
Let him speak. Let him identify and speak.
No. You can do it. यार, you can do it. There's no problem. सुन नहीं रहा ना. आप पास से इनके कैमरा ले लो, सुन लो, समझ लो. हाँ. बीच में आप ले लो. बात सुनो. नहीं, अब वो खत्म हो गई. अभी वो बात. अरे किसी से कराओ यार, मैं कह रहा हूँ वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We'll come to that. जो मेरी सिर्फ एक आग्रह है कि इंक्वायरी जो भी हो हमें तो चाहिए, इसलिए कि वो साबित होना ना. हम हर जगह लोगों को ढूंढेंगे कैसे? जो सच्चाई है वो साबित होनी है, तो इंक्वायरी होगी तो अच्छा है. लेकिन हमारे मन में आशंकाएं हैं जिस वजह से हम कोर्ट गए. जो आशंकाएं हमारे मन में. बात तो सुनो यार. नहीं, अब नहीं, बात सुनो. नहीं, अभी करेंगे. हम जान ही रहे. अभी फिर बैठेंगे. तो हमारे मन में आशंकाएं हैं, तो अगर इंक्वायरी होनी है तो इंडिया टुडे को भी इंक्वायर कर लिया जाए. और दूसरी बात यह है कि इंडिया टुडे को अगर इंक्वायर करा जाता है तो उसमें कुछ बातें निकल सकती हैं. उन सब की इंक्वायरी कर ली जाए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इनको
इंक्वायरी इसलिए नहीं हो क्योंकि आप सोचते हैं कि इंडिया टुडे को
नहीं, इंक्वायरी हो. हमारी इंक्वायरी हो रही है, हमने मांगी है, वो हो रही है. इसके आगे अगर जाना है तो आई थिंक इट्स ओनली फेयर कि मैं ये कहूँ कि इंडिया टुडे पर भी करिए. नहीं, अब सुनिए दूसरी बात सुनिए. नाउ लेट्स कम टू दिस पॉइंट. बार वापस लेट्स नॉट गो टू द सेम थिंग. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी एबल टू कन्विंस देम. अगर मैं उन्हें कन्विंस कर देता तो कोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती ना. तो आई वोंट बी एबल टू कन्विंस देम.
एक मिनट यार.
नहीं,
बात अभी बोलोगे क्या?
अब जो होगा. देखो यार, बात सुनो. या तो आप भाषा नहीं समझते हो. जब मैं बोल चुका हूँ कि हम क्या करेंगे.
हो गया.
रुको ना यार, बोलने दो. सुनो यार, बात सुनो. Don't ask me the same question over and over again in different words from different parts. I have said कि इसके आगे हमको कुछ करना है, वो we will decide as a government, as a party. I am a party worker first, but that's a decision that I am not going to ask you or Mr. K or Mr. somebody else to take for me. We will take that decision. मुश्किल क्या बात है कि बात ये हो रही है कि आप कुछ करेंगे, आप इस्तीफा देंगे. दूसरी तरफ से कुछ नहीं हो रहा. मैं कह रहा हूं कि दिस इज टुडे अ डिस्प्यूटेड क्वेश्चन ऑफ जर्नलिस्टिक एथिक्स एंड पॉलिटिकल एथिक्स, एंड आई वांट बोथ टू बी.
सलमान भाई, इसमें कई नाम है जो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं. रगे मिस्त्री को आप किया है इस लिस्ट में. कई ऐसे नाम है जो गांव में है ही नहीं. नहीं, इनके बारे में तो बोलिए. इनको कहां से लाएंगे? तो है नहीं. तो मैं सबके नाम पढ़ सकता हूँ. मेरे पास पूरी लिस्ट है जिसमें लोग एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते. लोग है नहीं. उनको कहां से लाएंगे? इनको तो चलिए ये गला तो ले लिया आपने.
एक बात सुनो.
इनको कहां से लाएंगे आप?
You have to listen to me.
ये लोग कहां से आएंगे?
You have to listen. I'm not saying 100. I'm not saying 100. No, please let me decide. Yeah, let me decide, please. Yeah, everybody knows more than I do. I'm not saying 100 people. No, I'm saying one person who was shown out of 3 is here. 2 more will come. I will show them to you.
No, but the people who don't exist, जो आपने checklist में,
if they
people don't exist.
No, I agree. If they don't exist, somebody has to inquire.
Yes.
Somebody. Am I saying?
No, this is your list.
See, I am saying. Listen. I think you will have all noticed. Yeah. Listen, Shamim, please. You would have all noticed that we have moved away. We've moved away from no camps were held to no people who exist, or some people who don't exist. Okay, we've already established that the camps were held, but people who don't exist were included. We have already established the first one. So the first one that is established, we probably took implements and threw them in the river. We didn't take them home because if there was nobody to take them, they could not have been utilized. I have shown that they have been bought. I have shown that they have been utilized, at least utilized, be given to someone. If they were given to someone who doesn't exist, then of course it's a serious case that we can find out. But I'm not going to ask Aaj Tak to do this inquiry. They've done the bit they wanted to do. They showed one person. I brought that person here. This person says, I have a cold storage there, which is called mill in local language. He says, from the mill, I received it. I thought that I will get another one if I say I don't have it. They, in fact, said nothing. They just recorded it and brought it back. And he was saying, मेरा वो मिला नहीं, मुझे आज तक ने वो दिया नहीं, etc. There is another person they have shown, who is shown in a tricycle, given by us, who said, I didn't get anything. We are now getting him also in front of you. He will arrive. When he arrives, he will show that he got that tricycle. So now that they were saying they've done 40 such cases, now they will produce other cases. They will produce other cases in front of the inquiry. Or they can produce 2 cases every night, and I will find 2 more people to bring and say, no, they are not right. They can produce it before the inquiry and say this was not held. So what are we arguing about? Are we arguing about the camps were held? I think they are trying to avoid saying the camps were not held. 2, were the documents given for genuine, all or some? I'm not avoiding it. I am saying let the UP government first establish who signed it and whether that person accepts that they have signed it. They have not done that. They've gone by the earlier letter of UP government saying these camps were not held and these signatures are not genuine. And to that has been added 2 more letters. One, the affidavit, and one, the letter that has come from Mr. Yadav. 2 more letters are added now, so instead of 10, there are 12. 12 things have to be. But nothing turns on them. Because a whole lot of other letters have come. Now, I'm sorry, I wanted all the Viklangs that I've been able to invite here to come before you left. If you just sip a cold drink or something, they will arrive. You can talk to them.
सर अगर सारी चीजें सही है तो सरकार जांच क्यों कर रही है? मामले की जांच सरकार क्यों कर रही है?
Sir, whatever the report is there of the CAG, you say is a draft report.
No, I don't say. CAG says.
Yeah, CAG says.
Yeah.
So are you going to submit all these documents to CAG or you have already submitted this?
No, all these documents are with the.
Are you going to submit this to the Congress High Command?
See, all these documents are with the ministry. Ministry can send them to CAG now, or we can give CAG a fresh lot of documents, and the CAG can then do whatever they want to do with it, no problem. They have told us, CAG have told us, that we didn't have these documents, one way or the other. If we are given the documents, we will give our revised version, right? The last thing you are asking me is, what have you done with your High Command? Can I please keep my High Command issue to me and not actually to say to you? And if the High Command has to say anything, they will authorize an appropriate spokesperson in the party to actually convey to you. I certainly will meet the Prime Minister, and I will certainly share whatever my experience is with the Prime Minister. He is my leader in the government and he has a right to know, and he will certainly know. Okay? आप खासा बिहार